Why do you think you cannot get things done in a given day? Today, we're going to have a game-changing discussions about 7 productivity habits to incorporate into your life this 2024. So stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with the tools to make 2024 your year of transformation. So let's kick off with habit number 1. And if I'm looking down, I am looking at the notes I prepared for this video. Number 1 productivity habit is me time. It's a game changer. When you wake up in the morning, give yourself 5 to 10 minutes of your me time. A lot of people focus on physical health but not on mental health. Mental health and physical health, we cannot separate them. They always go together. So this 2024, we are sharing to improve our physical and mental health. Contrary to popular belief that they say productivity depends on early risers. You don't really need to wake up early. I myself, I am not an early riser. The key lies not in waking up early, but in crafting a routine that carves out dedicated time for yourself before diving into the day's demands, like 5 to 10 minutes of meditation. Some of my friends would say like, how do you do meditation? There's so many guided meditation that you can follow on YouTube and just give it a try. If you are not into meditation, just simply close your eyes and take a deep breath. Meditation is not only a spiritual practice, it's a powerful tool to cultivate mindfulness, calmness, and centering your thoughts before you go into a chaotic, demanding day, especially healthcare workers and nurses like us. It's very hard to give yourself a me time after you start your shift, and towards the end of the day, you're very, very tired and you cannot find yourself even 5 to 10 minutes of me time. And mothers, working moms, we have to prioritize ourselves. Give yourself the first hour in the morning, own it, because let's be real, you cannot conquer the world or take care of others if you're not taking care of yourself first. Next, after your 5 minutes of meditation, move up your body. Take 5 to 10 minutes of morning stretch. Is very important for 3 reasons. First, during nighttime at rest, your muscles tend to tighten and get stiff. Morning stretches helps counteract stiffness. Secondly, stretching increases blood flow to your muscle, and this boost in circulation not only enhances muscle function but also contributes to a more alert and awake state. Aside from stretching, you can also do yoga or a quick 5 minutes walk in the morning. Naturally, waking up your mind and body without coffee is a good practice because it fosters a stronger mind-body connection. And afterwards, hydrate, drink a glass of water, and have a healthy breakfast. If you're used to eating healthy breakfast to get concentrated on your morning and gives you the kickstart of your metabolism, then that's good for you. That's your routine. Others, like me, I do intermittent fasting. I don't eat until like 12 noon. I know it's not for everybody, but whatever your morning routine is, go for that. Whatever your approach, consider your body needs and your health goals. So wake up, start meditation, move up your body, hydrate, and eat a healthy breakfast. That's for productivity habit number 1. We're going to habit number 2, time blocking. Benefits of time blocking is focused work, prioritization, efficient planning, minimized multitasking, and increased commitment to your dedicated task for the day. You can use digital tools like, for example, I use my Google Calendar. You can use your phone, desktop, and iPad. I color coded it depending on the priority of my task. Here, right? I'm showing it to you. That's for my monthly calendar. You can also use planners to visually represent and organize your time blocks. But trust me, just using your Google Calendar on your iPhone or your iPad is a game changer. I really can't live without my Google Calendar because it gives you a structure and an intentional approach for managing your time and tasks. It's so easy to get distracted, but allowing yourself to have a time block, you can focus on the tasks and priorities for the day. Let's go to number 3, creating your to-do list. Forgetful moments, we've all been there. And if you're not creating your to-do list, I recommend you create one because I tend to forget things that I have to do for the day. So 3 tips to be effective and you're doing your to-do list. Separate them. You have a to-do list for an everyday, weekly, and monthly. Because if you list it all in one page, it's like too taxing and a little bit stressful. So I have a to-do list for work and personal to-do list. This was recommended. I came across one article that separating your to-do list is more effective. So I have things you have to do, things you want to accomplish, and things for yourself. They say when you have a to-do list, you get more results. Our brain is designed for processing ideas that are written and we can visualize. So 3 things for my personal to-do list. One thing that I have to do, I have to allocate 30 minutes or an hour a day to read a book, and things that I want to accomplish, I have to film and edit YouTube so I can post weekly, and things that I have to do for myself, I do meditation and 10 minutes movement or exercise every day, and those are 3 examples. Before we go to the next one, if you're new here, my name is Robie. I'm a nurse based here in New Jersey, and on this channel, we discuss about productivity and motivation, nursing career, wellness, and travel. If you're getting some value from this video, please comment and subscribe, and don't forget to share it to others. Here's the 4th one, energy management. Time management alone won't cut it. Even if you manage your time effectively, and if you cannot manage your energy, you'll end up stressed and burnt out. So learn the power of saying no. Saying no establishes clear boundaries. It lets you focus on priorities, what truly matters to you, family, your mental health, and well-being. Overcommitting can lead to overwhelm. Saying yes with intention and say no to random invitations, random phone calls, to free up time and resources for activities aligned with your goals and your priorities. Respect your time. Your time is your valuable resource. 5th one, dive into the world of opportunities for learning. You can listen to audiobooks and podcasts, whether you're commuting, you're driving, you're working out, or even doing your household chores, washing the dishes. Listening to podcasts is making the most of your time and enrich your life with knowledge and inspiration. If you don't have a time to read books, please give it a try. Listening to audiobooks or podcasts, you will find some gems in those moments. Use your social media wisely, not about mindless scrolling, but use it for inspiration and your opportunities for learning. Number 6, prioritize good sleep. Try to have a consistent schedule time. Going to bed and waking up the same time every day, including weekends, helps regulate your body's internal clock and improve your quality of sleep. And to promote better sleep, try to avoid screen time before bedtime. There are auto sleep tracker to monitor your sleep quality, like your Apple Watch. You can use that. You will know how much hours you sleep. Having a consistent sleep schedule is actually one of my challenges because sometimes I go home late. I try to be in bed by 12 midnight. I don't have an Apple Watch to track my quality of sleep, so I try to set up a calming bedtime routine, like I read a book, signaling my body to wind down and prepare to sleep. Recommendation is 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night for optimal concentration and energy. I am trying to really get better on my hours of sleep. Sometimes I only get 6 hours, so I hope I will get better with that for this year. Number 7 is the most important one. Eat healthier. I know it's a struggle sometimes with being consistent in eating healthier, but this is vital in our overall mental health and well-being, vitality, energy. For brain function, it's everything. So even if it's hard, we're going to try. We're going to prioritize our physical health, mental health. We're going to eat healthy. I really do hope this is gonna be our best year, your year. While we can't alter the past, learn from our experiences, we do hold the power to shape our brighter future. Let's manifest 2024 will be our best. Thanks for watching. I do hope you've gotten value from this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you need motivation for your goal setting, watch this.